Hey guys, I'm Coach Wing here. Thank you for your interest in joining my course. However, let me stop you here for a minute. A positive review and a 5 stars comment, it is very important to me as it shows my student satisfaction towards my course. I put 101% of effort in producing every single courses. However, not all courses will suit you. Do you agree? So, in order to maximize your learning experience, I will recommend you to do the following before you purchase my course. Number 1, read the course description and curriculum carefully so that you have an idea on what is this course is really about. Number 2, watch the preview lecture. Preview lectures are a good checking point for you in terms of the course presentation, such as the accents of the presentation and also the presentation style. Number 3, read the review. Well, I'm not a perfect instructor, so there will be some positive and negative review as a reference for others about this course. Talk to me. Feel free to send me a message and ask me any questions regarding my course, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. So in the case of if you did bought my course and you do not really like it, do not worry, as Udemy will offer a 30 days money back guarantee to you. So you will not lose anything. However, if you like my course, feel free to give me some positive comments and a 5-star review. And I will see you. Thank you.